Thank you for joining us for Eyewitness News early today. Meteorologist David Karnes is here with us. And David, you know, we were just talking about whether you're going to be positive or negative about this year. So all that rain to come, but going to become a really nice weekend to kick off 2021.
Yeah, absolutely. We're focusing on the weekend, not the rainfall that is going to kick out 2020 and bring in 2021. And could we see some record rainfall in 2020? Sure, why not? Absolutely. So this is what we're looking at. So far in 2020, we've had 72.62 inches of rain. Record annual rainfall, that was back in 1994, 73.70 inches of rain. So that's the record, that's how much rain we've had so far. That's the record to achieve, and all we need to do that is 1.08 inches of rain. What we would have to get is 1.08, but what's forecast is 1 inch to 3 inches. Now, that's forecast New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Most of that right now is looking like it will be on New Year's Day. So we may come just shy of the record on New Year's Eve. We'll break it down in just a second for you. A little bit of fog out there, actually quite a bit of it. Blue Ridge up into Murphy. Not as thick or oppressive, but still some fog. 24 traveling up to Monteagle, traveling down toward North Georgia, looking at some of that fog as well. 33 in Chattanooga. Right now it's 30 in Cleveland, 29 in Dayton, and 32 in Athens. So a chilly start to the day, but another mild afternoon in the 40s and 50s this afternoon into this evening. So the morning fog, then a mild afternoon, little change on Wednesday, and then rain for the new year. Here's the satellite and radar. You can see weather system bringing in some heavy rain, or heavy snow rather, to parts of Nebraska. That's going to lift up into the Midwest. Meanwhile, south of that, a little bit warmer, looking at some rain showers. All of that stays away from the Tennessee Valley. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with highs in the 50s. Moving into Wednesday, again, little change, maybe an increase in cloud cover, but still in the 50s. This is 5 o'clock Wednesday. Notice this rain along this boundary that's slowly going to be drifting eastward through the day on Thursday. Still not much in the way of rain on Thursday. We may see 1 or 2 sprinkles here and there on Thursday afternoon. And now here's the big change from yesterday. It looks like the best chance of rain is going to be New Year's Day rather than New Year's Eve. We're going to get rain New Year's Eve, but most of the rain will be New Year's Day. So this is Thursday 5 o'clock. This is Thursday 8 o'clock. Still the heavy rain off to the west. Now moving to 10:30, that's when we start to see some of that more substantial rain lifting up into the Tennessee Valley. Moving into the overnight, still some scattered showers. So I do think we'll see some rain showers as we move into the midnight hour, New Year's Eve, but it does not look like it's going to be as substantial as what we're going to see on New Year's Day. So here is the front sliding eastward for New Year's Day. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. Still not much out there, 8, 9 o'clock. And then by 11 o'clock, and lunchtime, take a look. Here comes some of the heavier rain that's going to be pushing through. This is about 1 o'clock on Friday. This is 2, 3 o'clock. Look at the heavy rain Friday afternoon, the first day of the new year. And then even as late as 5, 6 o'clock, we're going to see some of that heavy rain shifting eastward, moving up toward the Blue Ridge, and it will stay there into Friday evening. Friday night into Saturday, though, will clear out and have nice weather for the weekend. Rainfall amounts, we're looking at about 1 to 2 inches of rain Thursday night through Friday morning. Now that's just Thursday night into Friday morning. Here's another model showing lesser amounts, but that is for New Year's Eve. For New Year's Day, and I'm going to go back to that. I want to show you this. Okay, there's one model's interpretation. This is the one I want to show you. This is the one that I think is getting the best handle on this. It's showing New Year's Eve up to midnight about a ½ inch of rain. Again, that would keep us a little shy of the record, but New Year's Day, that's when we really ramp it up, and we see anywhere from 1.5 to more than 2.5 inches of rain. So that's what we're looking at. But for today and tomorrow, mild weather. Thursday, Friday, we see the rain moving in Thursday evening into the day on Friday. Heavy rain at times Friday, and then Friday night into the weekend, we clear out and have gorgeous weather to start the new year. We just get past the rain. That's all we have to do, Grace.
Just get past the rain. That's right, David. And you know what? I say let's just go ahead and set one more record in 2020.
Sure.
You know, right? It's been a record-setting year already. Thank you, David.